Hey guys, this is Brad Barnes with Barnes 4-Wheel Drive. Today we're going to take a little closer look at our bronze bushings for the Dana Kingpin axle. Okay guys, so the plastic bushings that your Kingpin come with from the factory, they work great for street applications. But in heavy off-road use, hydraulic steering, big tires, we've seen that they'll start to deform and then they'll deflect and it can cause breakage. So what we've done is we've come up with a heavy-duty alternative made out of bronze, so they're not going to deform and break on the trail. When you go to install these, they're going to be a nice tight fit, and we've included a roll pin that is going to prevent the Kingpin bushing from rotating when the knuckle turns on the C. On the inside of the bushing, we've machined a conical twist inside to allow grease to be able to get to all points of your Kingpin. Hey guys, thanks for watching our videos. Be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully we'll see you out on the trail soon.